So today we will discuss about how to calculate the amount due to a deceased partner. So in the last chapter we have discussed the various aspects of death of a partner, and in accounting treatment there is no that much difference between death of a partner and retirement of a partner. So here we will see how to calculate the amount payable to deceased partner. So let us discuss this through an illustration. Illustration 18. Anil, Bhanu and Chandu were partners in a firm sharing profit in the ratio of 5:3:2. On March 31st, 2017, their balance sheet is given. The balance sheet of Anil, Bhanu and Chandu are: creditors 11,000, reserve fund 6,000, Anil 30,000, Anil's capital 30,000, Bhanu's capital 25,000, Chandu's capital 15,000. And the buildings are also given. The value of buildings 20,000, machinery 30,000, stock 10,000, patent 11,000, debtors 8,000, cash 8,000. Anil died on 1st October 2000, and it was agreed between his executors, means the legal representatives of Anil, and the remaining partners, that goodwill is to be valued at 2.5-year purchase of average profit of previous 4 years. So previous 4 years profit is given: 13, 14, 30,000, next 12,000, then 20,000, then 15,000. Second point, patent be valued at rupees 8,000, and machinery is valued at rupees 28,000, and building at rupees 25,000. So here three assets are revalued. So in such a case you have to prepare the revaluation account. Profit for the year, next point, profit for the year 2017-18 be taken as having accrued at the same rate as that of previous year. So now we have to calculate. I told you, at the time of retirement or death, we have to calculate and give the deceased partner's share of profit or loss up to the date of death, and that profit will be calculated on the basis of last year's profit. It is given in the point C. So current year profit will be because this year is incomplete, and Anil died in between the year, before the completion of the year. So we will calculate, we have to give his share of profit or loss up to the date of death, and that will be calculated on the basis of last year profit. That is what given in the point C. Interest on capital be provided at 10% per annum to the deceased partner. Half of the amount due to Anil will be paid immediately. So in the question they are asking only one thing: prepare Anil's capital account and Anil's executor's account as on October 1st, 2017. So this is what they are asking in the question. So now let us see how to solve this. So first you may listen to the question carefully. So in the question, one balance sheet is given, and informations are given regarding goodwill and revaluation of assets, and calculation of profit or loss up to the date of death, interest on capital to be provided to the deceased partner. And in the question they are asking us to prepare Anil's capital account and his executor's account as on 1st October 2017, means on the day of his death. So first you may note down once this question in the notebook, and in the next video I will explain you how to find out the answer of this question.